Okay, made some progress. So, never work on radios late at night when you're tired, especially high voltage ones. No, I didn't zap myself. But because this thing's so big and it's on its side, I was looking down from above when I put these capacitors on, and I saw there's a 5-lug strip here, and one of them goes to the ground. And I thought I was soldering it onto the right lug, but I was off by one. So that's not good. These are the filter capacitors. So anyway, I moved them over one, so they're now on ground. So yay. So now they work much better because they're on ground. I don't know how it referenced to ground on the other one, but anyway, yeah. Now they're on solid ground. So these two are in the right place. Thank goodness. I also, before I figured out this error, maybe a lot of people were screaming at the camera the last time. I had hooked an 8 ohm speaker up to a 500 ohm output. And that's probably not a smart thing to do. I don't know exactly how much, if it's going to blow up the speaker or blow up the radio. I think the speaker would blow up first. It's probably high voltage. So anyway, it seems as though back in the day, speaker cabinets had a transformer in them. So you sent them high voltage at 500 ohms, and then there was a 500 ohm to 8 ohm conversion in the speaker, a transformer in the speaker. Well, I don't have one of those. And so I says, well, what can I use? Just kind of fake it. So I've got this little power transformer here. It's 120 volts in and 15 volts out, center tapped. And so I'm going to use just one side of it, so it's 7.5 volts. So 7.5 volts into 100 volts, it's what, 12 to 1, 15 to 1 ratio, something like that. So it'll take that 500 ohms and at least take it down to 50 ohms or something like that. It'll make it happy, at least, I think. And I'm not sure what the ohmage is on the input of a 115 ohm. I guess I could measure it. But anyway, it's much better than hooking up the speaker direct. So I've got this little transformer in there now just as a placeholder. And I did move these over. And so, listen to that. It's working. Yay. So I've got it on FM. And I'm in the broadcast area here. That's one of the local that's like the strongest station here. It's a Bollywood station. And here's my antenna. Oh, that's interesting. When I'm grabbing this knob, it's doing funny things.
And never again will you ever have to take your loving arms to his love space.
So it's working pretty good. That's hi-fi. There's medium tone, low tone. Here's with bass. Oh, bass boost. That's pretty cool. Sensitivity doesn't seem to do anything on AM.
Go to our Facebook page.
Whoa. Ah, there we go. Got some ranchero music. Muy bueno. Anyway, so looks like it's working. At least it's making some noise, and yeah. So I'll figure out what to do next. See if we can't tune this thing up and make it work.